Alright, what's up, bro? Let me change the sound because it's gonna be really loud. That should be better. Alright, so these packs, you get them from winning games. Try to keep the ones that are gold, and then anything that is like platinum or looks really fancy, you'll want to keep. These ones, not that big of a deal because you can only hold 4 of them. And so if you get more than 4, you kind of discard them. So, like, if you get something that looks like this right here, you definitely want to keep that. This one, that's a platinum, so make sure you don't discard those. Anything that looks like that. This is also really good. This is epic, and then obviously this is the best one. So if you get any of those, then you definitely want to keep them. Sorry about my baby. And then next, the reason why you want to get those good packs is that you're going to get good players. This is what you're going for, these red cards. They're epics. You can see most of my team is just basic players because that's really all you need. I do have a lot of good players. And the reason why I'm not using all my best players is because each time you use a player, it uses up a contract. So, yeah, for example, I choose this guy. The game's really wonky. Sometimes you have to click a bunch of times. See these contracts at the bottom here? So every time you play with them, they take out a contract. And so if they run out of contracts, you can't use them anymore. So what I do is, once I can't use a player anymore, I'll just, let's for example say it's this guy. And you have to click a bunch of times just to get into them. Then I will go to swap, and then I'll just pick in another player that has, that's what I do. So I don't use my contracts, I save them. Alright, so the main thing is playing ads. So let's say I want to increase the contracts. You only want to do this on your best players, so any red players, epics. See where it says watch video? So you want to keep doing that. That's why I have him at 74, because I kept watching videos. So my plan is to do maybe 100 and then go on to my next red card. When you do the packs, it's the same thing. You can watch video. Mine says to watch already, so just keep doing that because that's going to help you open packs faster and get a better team faster. So for your free things that you'll get, you just get them by keep playing, and then you just go through here and then get the rewards whenever you can buy them. I already bought everything. You'll eventually buy everything, and I think the same is here. So yeah, you'll eventually claim everything. Doesn't matter what order, because you'll eventually get it. And then there's also some competitions. Like right now, this is for scoring goals, so you get some good prizes for here. But I'm just trying to get top 10. Right now I'm in top 14. I have a pretty good record. So here, I think it's here, team stats. So you can see I have 95% win rate. So I've lost like 11 times out of 269 games. So the way to win is pretty, it takes a couple times. I'll kind of explain what I'm trying to do. The main thing is you need to watch your ability. You have one special ability, and I think this is a real player. Sometimes you get a lot of AI or bots. So he's going first. Going first is a slight advantage. So to do defense is simple. You literally just tap on your players like this, and they're going to go after him. And then maybe one of them you can double tap and he'll tackle. So most likely I'll get the ball somewhere. So do it again. So he might pass it, but should get the ball. Oh my gosh. So he's shooting from far away. That's most likely an AI. So I kind of want to clear it because his guys are all there, so I'm just going to clear the ball. I always do everything in angles. I don't know why, it just seems to work better for me. So again, defense, just tap. You can do, you can swipe them, but I feel like it doesn't work as well. Okay, passing. So moving the navigation is kind of tough, so your kids used to, but I'm gonna do that. Oh, he's offsides. Oh my gosh. I thought there was a player behind him. Noob mistake. So see how we have the special ability showing up? The lightning? That's the most important part of this game, is managing that. So to use it, you want to get relatively close. Just press on it. And then I see the right side of the net's open, so I'm going to go for the right side. Just kind of barely get it in like the way I did it. And it'll go on almost every time. You can even shoot it way farther back. So now, he's got the special ability, so hopefully he doesn't get too close. If he gets too close, he's going to use it. So this is perfect. I got the ball. And see how my passes are all kind of like angled like that? That's kind of what you want. This guy's probably not going to get it. Here, I'm going to pass short. And then I'll probably pass to this guy. So everything's kind of at an angle. Just find it works better. So I'm going to pass to this guy because he's going to be open. Like that. And then this is a very important secret. Oh, he used his special ability. That's why he took the ball from me. But that's great because we want him to use his ability for defense. Because when you use it on offense, it's like an automatic score. Yeah, he's always going to miss that shot. So this most likely is a computer. So now I'll do a short aim. So now here, try to just kind of predict where your guys will be open. I think I'm going to do this. Go for that. Alright, this is the secret. See where I'm tapping? It's very important. Right there is the magic spot. If you can get right there, you're going to score. I got fouled. Okay, this I don't know how to do, to be honest. I've tried so hard, and I don't know how to do it. Okay, I'm going to use my special ability. Because I'm so close, it's like automatically gonna score. So that's the thing, it's just managing that ability and then knowing when to use it, when not to use it. So I'll play another game. Hopefully I get a real person. And hopefully this is useful. So now you're gonna see I'm gonna get a pack and it's gonna go into one of my 4 slots. That's just a rare, it's not that great. It's more important once you get 4. You have to choose which ones to keep. So if you get one of those special packs like I told you, they are gonna look like something like this. They're gonna look like either this, this, or this. You must keep those. These are amazing packs. This one in particular, I haven't even gotten one of these yet. But make sure you watch the ads when you can. I'm not gonna do it now, but you wanna keep doing that. It takes 3 hours off, and so you can get through more packs. Make sure you're doing this as well. I'm not going to do it now, just so that you're increasing the contracts for your best players. So let's do one more game. Hopefully I get a real player, and then kind of explain more. Actually, I'm not going to talk too much this one, so I can focus on playing well. I think this is a real player. It's got 71 rating, mine 62. I find like even your best players, it don't really matter that much. Okay, so same thing, tap. So he's passing to himself right there. That's 2 touch, that's a big penalty. This usually will leave you some open player to pass to, so I'm going to pass to this guy. Nice. Alright, I'm going to come to the right. Oh, I didn't get that fast enough. So just the same strategy for defense. So these 2 guys are going at him. You should be able to hold him, yeah. Hit the post. Nice. So right now he's got an advantage, so I'm trying to clear the ball because I see that he has his ability bar. You see that on the top right? Because he has that full, I kind of want to get away from. Oh, nice. So this is the key spot, right where that color changes right there. Dark and green. Oh, so he uses ability. I'm going to use mine. Oh gosh, didn't work out. That was not good. Usually he'll like get the ball. So hopefully my guy can get the ball now. Oh, I don't have my ability now. So that's the timing, like it only lasts so long. But I did that because sometimes if I use my ability, this is really important. If I push this spot right here, his goalkeeper's come close and then I can come around him like that. Most of the time that will work. Since I think I have a straight shot, I can just go for it. Yeah. So that usually will go in. Hopefully I get another chance. So he did the same thing again. Most likely it's a bot. So see how my guy here is way open? I'm just gonna click, just go straight to him. Don't do it too far or he might be a header. All right, so here I could probably try to go for it, but I think he's gonna tackle me. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so I probably should have passed it there. So same thing for defense, just literally just tap on your players, like that. Tap on them, tap. Oh, I have my special ability, I'll take it. I can shoot it from here, but I'm not going to, because he can't really take the ball. Oh my gosh, he just took the ball from me. Most of the time he can't take the ball from me. Since it's short time with the ability, he might run out. I'm gonna try to go for it. Sometimes I can make that shot. Corner kicks, pretty straightforward, just kind of go straight to your guy. Hopefully your guy gets it like this, and then just swipe in. He didn't get it. So I'm up 1-0. Most likely I'm gonna win. I kind of hope he scores because we'll go to penalties. Penalties, you kind of just want to hit this spot here, these two spots. That's the magic. Here, actually, let me show you. Let's see, maybe I can force myself to lose. Okay. I forced myself to get scored on so I can go to penalties and show you that. It's pretty rare now. Since the update, you don't really get penalties. Oh no, he might win here. No, he won't win, because see how far back his guys are with the abilities? So they're not going to score. Alright, so we're going to go to penalties now. So this is the secret. You just go here and to the top corner. They can't block that. And then we alternate left, right. So I think they're going to block shoot here. Maybe, maybe not. But I'm just going to guess. Sometimes staying in the middle works too. Alright, doesn't matter. Alright, so same thing. Don't go too far to the right. You want to stay inside. Otherwise it'll go out. So I'm going to stay here. Let's see, maybe he kicks there. Kind of a mind game, but... So he went down the middle. This might be a real person. The main thing I see people doing wrong is that they just shoot too far away from the goal. So these are penalties. I'm pretty confident I'm going to win this. I don't normally go to penalties. Yeah, so I won because I got 3 in a row. But that's how you do penalties too. So I think I covered everything. Yeah, most important thing is be opening these packs. Let's see what I'm going to get here. That's another rare. Those are not important. So when these are all full, and then if you get one of those good packs I showed you earlier in the video, you want to make sure you replace one of those. So these 3 are the best things you can get. Make sure you're holding on to them. And then pay attention to these competitions. Try to make it on the leaderboard because you get some good prizes. I think top 10 gets 3 of the gold packs, which is nice. Try to save your resources and make sure to watch the videos. So that's everything. If you have any questions, let me know.